In this video, we will be using a three-phase connection to power the commercial dishwasher. From the back of the unit, remove the back panel. This unit requires a 240-volt connection. Pass the wires through the opening. Connect the PE wire, which is the ground. Remove the box cover and loosen the screws. Connect the L3 labeled wire to the L3 port. Connect the L2 labeled wire to the L2 port. Connect the L1 labeled wire to the L1 port. Tighten the conduit to ensure cord is stable. This completes the connection.